All right, ladies and gentlemen, very welcome to this video. So you might have an SMMA, a drop servicing business, any type of service-based business, and of course you want to make more money. But closing new clients can really be a daunting process, and it can take a lot of time sometimes, and it can mean like a lot of Zoom calls that are devastating, and Zoom calls with people who, I don't know, are maybe annoyed by you or getting a lot of negative responses and stuff like that. And I know how the game works. And the thing is, I uncovered a method on how to make more money without closing new clients. And it's so simple, it's crazy. And it's so much less work than acquiring new clients. It's way less work to make that money, to cash it in. And it's also way less work in terms of the fulfillment, okay? So this is basically a method to make as much additional money as you would from 1 to 3 new clients with 0 new clients, just with your existing clients, even if you only have 1 or 2, okay? So this is a very, very cool method, and I'll just show you step by step how I do that, how I use this simple but very, very effective method to make an additional $2,000 to $5,000 per client, okay? So I will just show it right away. Let's not waste any further time and get right into it. All right, so this is exactly what I do, and this is also exactly the thing that I sent to one client a few weeks ago that worked very well. So I'll just show you step by step, okay? So first step that you need to do, think of your clients that you currently have. How could you help them achieve their dream outcome better? Okay, that's step number 1. How could you help them achieve their dream outcome better? Okay, simple question. Write down some things, okay? I'm pretty sure that you can come up with some things on how you could help your clients achieve their dream outcome even better, okay? And if you have these things, then you basically just create an offer, a very good offer around that thing, okay? And I just took a simple Google Docs. This is not professional. I didn't even do it in Canva and make it a nice looking PDF and stuff like that. My clients don't care about that. I made the experience, my clients don't care about that at all, okay? It's sometimes even off-putting if you make it very nice and fancy looking for them, because people are asking themselves then, like, why is he making so much effort for this offer? Is the offer itself not good? I don't know if they're really asking themselves so, but that could be one possible reason. But my clients, they like these things work better, like stupidly simple Google Docs, okay? What we had the situation, ads were running, but they were not running that well because we needed proper ad creatives and we didn't have them. So what I did, I made this simple Google Docs and for this client, and I wrote issue, offer plus creative. So basically you analyze the issue, okay? And then offer to solve the issue, okay? So we already built great offers and are currently building the landing page to bring them live. Okay, so, basically what you do, offer, but here it's a bit tricky because offer and creatives for this e-com store. So offer, okay, we already did that, but basically this is the offer here, okay? So it was right what I said, just you analyze the issue, then you make them an offer, okay? This is the offer here, okay? So what is the offer about? Creatives, okay? Videos and images for ads. We handle everything and make sure we get 45 high converting creatives for you based on the high performance from competitors, okay? Few things here. So we handle everything. This is a client. She doesn't like to do much work in this business. I understood that from the first few calls I had with her. She wants to be very hands-off in this business. So first thing, we handle everything and we make sure, okay, outcome you get, okay, creatives based on high performers. Explain why this makes sense, okay? Then just exactly what you get. This obviously depends on what you sell. Then what we do, pretty simple. The result, super important, okay? This selling framework has worked so well for me, and I just like literally record Looms, and with this specific client, I sent this specific thing. I didn't even record a Loom. I just sent this Google Docs as a PDF on WhatsApp to her, and then recorded a 2-minute voice memo explaining it, and it worked, Like it instantly worked, right? So with other clients, I usually record looms on this. I like that better. I don't know, for her, I didn't even record a loom. I don't know why. But anyway, so the result, better performance, better return on ad spend, meaning we can scale more profitable, and that means more profit for you. That's what I told her, which is also obviously true. So like the result. What is the real result? Making it that simple, then proven to work. Some proof. Whenever we improve the client's creatives, we also improve the profitability. So she knows that this is really working. Time. As soon as you give us the go, we can get the new creatives live in 7 to 10 days. Effort. We handle the entire process, and you only need to see the end result and give us the green light once. Again, I include these things because I understand this client and I know that she wants to be very hands-off, so I include that. Okay, so a deal normally, and here also very important section, people don't do that with high ticket offers and agency service offers, but it's so valuable to do that. Okay, for example, with low ticket offers or in e-com, like everybody does this. Okay, normally it's that price, now it's that price, great offer for you. Nobody does that with high ticket offers, but it works so well if you do it, right? So deal, normally that package would be $100 per creative. Just justify why it would be that price normally, okay? But because we want to make this work as soon as possible, we'll make this happen for just $2,700. Would you be opposed to going ahead with this? Okay, first, great no-brainer offer that gets her dream outcome, more profit, which is completely hands-off for her. Okay, completely hands-off for her, gets dream outcome, like exactly what she wants, more profit without doing anything. And in 7 to 10 days, we can start with this time frame, very short, and then like it's a great offer. And then just a no-based question. Would you be opposed to going ahead with this? Okay, it's way easier to say no to something than to say yes to something. Okay, like if someone asks me, would you be opposed to that? I'm like, I'm not opposed to that. And then I can go like, yeah, perfect. Which card do you want to use? Like it's so much easier if you ask a no-based question. It's so much harder to get a yes if you ask like, do you want to do this together? And people start thinking, do I really want to do this with them? Like it's so much easier to just ask a no-based question, right? Okay, so great thing. That's how it works. That's literally it. I can actually include a screenshot of that example where I sent it to her on WhatsApp and it worked right away. I can include that. I will just display it on the screen right now. And that's it. Ladies and gentlemen, that's already it. That's how you can make an additional $2,000 to $5,000 per client easily without hopping in a sales call, without doing outreach, with just like making one Google Docs that takes you probably like 15 minutes and recording a Loom on it that probably takes you 2 to 3 minutes. And that is it. Like under 20 minutes, you can make an additional $2,000, $3,000. I mean, that is a very high ROI task, isn't it? Right? And that's what we want. We want high ROI tasks. And often if you close new clients, then you don't even get that dream situation that you really want, because if you close too many clients, then maybe someday you have the situation that you, I don't know, get super angry, get a heart attack from the 100th request of the next pain in the ass client. You probably don't want that, right? You want to make as much money as possible with as few clients as possible, okay? Because that's, at least in my experience, that is way more hands-off, and it's way easier to have a hands-off drop servicing or SMMA business with fewer clients that pay you more. Because the more clients, the more pain in the ass clients you will have, and the more pain in the ass requests you will have from these clients, right? So this is a super simple way to add an additional $2,000, $5,000 to your bank account in 20 minutes. Okay, and then, for example, here, then you sell the service for $3,000, and then you just get freelancers on Fiverr, or just source the service through some platforms for $500, and you pocket the difference. You don't even have to do the work, and it's super simple, super hands-off. And this is just a hack that I really wanted to share with you, one of many things that we do. Okay, so if you want more stuff like that, then you can click the link down below and really join a community of other drop servicing and SMMA owners who really are the elite of the space and use methods that other people don't use, and use outreach methods that not everyone else is using. And this is why my people have results that no one else has while working way less. Okay, while all the other people, 99% out there, are just wasting their time all day long doing some manual stuff that just annoys people and doesn't really get them clients. Right, so if you want to join, links down below. And ladies and gentlemen, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up, leave it a comment. It really helps out the channel. I really want to help more people with this knowledge that I gathered over the last years. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you are watching this, then you are on the right path. So just keep going. Thank you.